Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to stake or unstake your cryptocurrency on Coinbase. So as you can see, this is the official website of Coinbase, help.coinbase.com, and they have added the complete step-by-step guide on how you can stake or unstake your cryptocurrency. So if we scroll down a little bit as below, so here we can find the complete unstake process, unstake your crypto. So first of all, sign into your Coinbase account or open the mobile app. So they have told us both the process, either you want to do it on web or the mobile app. So the first step is just sign in with your account. Then after that, select my assets. Like you will find many options called home, trade, just below the screen of the app. So you will find this option called my assets. So click on my assets, and from here select an asset to unstake. Like for example, like you go to my assets and you will find like all the cryptocurrencies available there. So let's say you have a coin of kind of USDT or Ethereum. So select your asset, that is your asset, like the coin. And after that, if you scroll down, you will see an option called unstake. Then just select unstake and choose continue to unstake. Enter the amount you want to unstake. For example, you have chosen the coin, you scroll down and you find the option to unstake. You click on it, and once you click on it, they will ask you to enter the amount you want to unstake from the total coin. So let's say you have 100 Ethereum, so you can unstake all of them, or like 50 of them. So just enter the amount, and after that select preview unstake. And once you click on preview unstake, then after that just select unstake now. And once you click on select unstake now, they will start the work, and hopefully your cryptocurrency will be unstaked within, like, there's a time period of 13 to 14 days. So when that time period is completed, hopefully you will be able to unstake your cryptocurrency on Coinbase. So that is a complete and easy process of how you can unstake your cryptocurrency here.